We have perhaps the most diverse campus in Canada. I mean, I look at a sea of faces where 50% may be from the Pacific Rim, where English is a second language, there's so many of them. I give them the breakdown of the class, the demographics. I say, here then we have people from here. And I talk about how diverse it is by giving examples directly. Even within the university, colleges, the gender issue, all genders are represented, the age distribution, the fact that some are full-time, some are part-time, some have family responsibilities, some are working. There's a huge variety of people, different learning styles. So this issue that we're addressing different people, and the fact that I'm aware of it and I tell them this, I think sends out an important message to them. It's something that I've become increasingly concerned about, not in a negative sense, but as an opportunity, because it really enriches the experience of everyone. If one acknowledges it and uses it. So I select examples sometimes that suggest that I'm going beyond simply the usual textbook examples that we have in North America. I also, in the very beginning, introduce them to each other collectively, talking about this diversity and saying what a wonderful opportunity we all have, that we have people with so many different backgrounds and languages and cultures here. And it's also influenced some of my teaching because there's a whole area of psychology, my discipline, called cross-cultural psychology, which is now becoming very prominent, very important, and particularly in dealing with the kinds of students that we have here. At the same time, there's a balance, because I don't want the students, some of them, to think I'm being condescending or in some ways patronizing. And so, I mean, they're here, they understand that they are in this is Toronto, Canada, and that's what they want. They came to the university, and they don't necessarily want to be, in some sense, dealt with specially or differently. So it's finding the right balance between these two. And then I try to use it in an appropriate way to make people feel happy and comfortable with this as being exciting and an opportunity rather than a problem. And that seems to work. Turn it into a kind of positive element in the course.